Hello everyone, welcome to Maker Monday. We're going to learn quite a few things tonight. Let's get into it.
Hey guys, I'm Dustin Barnes with the Jessamine County Public Library and welcome to Maker Monday. Today we'll be working on our AV conversion station. Specifically, we're going to be working on the vinyl to MP3 player. So there's going to be three things you're going to need before we can get started. Of course, you're going to need a vinyl record, set an earbud so you can actually hear your recording, and a USB device in order to save your songs. Alright, I already have the vinyl record on here, so all we gotta do, hit the start button, that'll get her going. We'll take the spindle, move it to the spot of the record you want to start with, set it down, close the case, and then we'll load up Audacity real quick. From here, you're going to hit record. And you can see how it's starting to go now. You can get the music going a little bit. Don't worry about it if you did it too soon, too late. We can always go back and fix or re-record if you're really worried about that. So you can see the waveforms on here. We are good and we are going. Alright, so just a key reminder, make sure to put the spindle on before you launch Audacity. Everything has to be going, otherwise you're going to get a real weird error. But that's a pretty easy fix. We'll just have to close down Audacity and restart it. So right now, we already got our song about recorded. This is a good stopping point. So all we're going to do right now is hit stop. And we're going to stop recording. You can see how the bar stops. That means we got the song and we have it exactly where we need to be. So now we're going to save the file as a backup. Just to be sure, because we don't want to mess around with it and then do something horrific. So what we're going to do is save project. We're just going to click on Save Project right here. You'll get this weird error saying a warning. Don't worry about it, just hit OK. And what we're looking for right now is our USB device. We'll click on it, hit Open, and you can type whatever name you want. Just for today, I'm just going to hit Test Project. And we're in the process of saving it, so we'll have a backup at least on our USB, so if we have to leave, it's fine. We can just come back later and continue working on it. So, once we're done with the song, we want to make sure we actually have it saved properly and we can hear it. So all we're going to do, put in an earbud real quick. We're going to hit this back arrow. That'll take us back to the beginning of the song list. Then all we're going to do is just hit play. Yeah, sounds pretty good right now. Alright, so we have our song, we have it saved, it's going good so far. So next up, we'll drag our cursor to the end of the song, like from here, all the way over. Now this will take a couple minutes, so we'll fast forward to save us some time on this one. So all we have left to do, now that we're almost done, is we just have to split the stereo track. To do that, we're going to click on Name, go down to Split Stereo Track, and that'll get us to our next stage where we'll have two audio forms. And then, after that, we're going to split each track to mono. In order to do that, we're going to have to select all tracks by shift-clicking each track until all are highlighted. Once that's done, we're just going to go to Project menu, hit Quick Mix. Don't worry, if you only have one audio track like we have here, we're not going to be messing around with that at the moment. After that's done, all we have to do is export the finished file. So we're just going to go to File menu, Export as MP3, and you don't have to mess around with the ID3 tags or anything. You can leave them blank if you want to. And then once that's done, we're basically it. We just have to save it to our USB and we're good to go. Alright. And that about wraps it up for us on the AV conversion vinyl machine. This is a really great machine to have because you can have vinyl quality audio with you on the go wherever you go after switching it over to MP3. It can be just great to do.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL Creative Space at www.jesspublib.org/creative space.